Hello and welcome to this AM language video. Make sure you subscribe to the channel and like and share the video. In today's video, we are going to look at how to use will to talk about the future, making football predictions. Now, the word prediction is a noun, and a prediction is when you say what you think will happen in the future. For example, my prediction is that we will win the game. The verb is predict, and we can say, I predict we will win the game. But you don't need to say the word prediction or predict when you tell people what you think will happen. So let's look at some examples. They will buy 3 players. They won't buy more than 2 players. What we can see here is the subject plus will plus the verb and then plus the object. For the second sentence, we can see subject plus will not or won't plus verb plus the object. So let's look at the timeline. So we have our timeline here. On the left, we've got the past, down the middle, the present, and then on the right, we have the future. Now, if we look at this sentence, they will sign a striker, we can see that this is talking about a future time. This is a future prediction. But it's important to remember that will is not as strong as going to. Let's look at some more examples, including the negative form. We have she will change club, he will move to AC Milan, we will see change in management, she will not be ready to take part, he won't be fit enough to play, we won't see a good game because of the weather. Now, won't is the abbreviated form of will not, so it's the short form. But let's look at the pronunciation of won't. Now, do not confuse the pronunciation of won't with want. Now, won't has this O sound. This O sound is the same sound as you would hear in the word phone. Want, on the other hand, has an O sound. And this O sound is the same sound that you would hear in the word dog. So you have won't and want. Video challenge. And for this video challenge, please leave your answers and your own examples of talking about the future with will in the comment section below. So in this challenge, you will need to complete the sentences below. Like and share the video and subscribe to the channel. Visit our website to find out how you can have lessons in Malta with us. And thanks for watching. Learn English in Malta with us.